If your business installs, services, or inspects any kind of equipment or asset, you need to check out the Asset Management add-on. ServiceM8's Asset Management lets you easily identify equipment or assets, then record and track each asset's service history. It's great for keeping track of service and maintenance on your company vehicles, machinery, or equipment, and ideal for working with client equipment like air conditioners, appliances, pest stations, fire extinguishers, and more. You can create new assets and save their details and locations against a client. Then you can complete any kind of installation, inspection, or maintenance report you usually undertake using the Forms add-on. From there, every time you revisit the site, you can complete new forms against each asset. Let's look at an example for a business which installs and services commercial fridges. Inside the Job Asset view, we'll tap the bottom right scan icon and simply point the camera at the ServiceM8 label on the compressor. Instantly, ServiceM8 brings up all the asset details. We have the make, model, serial number, and installation date. We can also see all the past forms that were completed on this specific asset, and your past form in detail by tapping it. To complete a new inspection, we simply select the form to complete, and run through all the maintenance form questions. As we're stepping through the form, we can see the history of past responses to each form question, which is great for tracking changes over time and spotting potential issues. Let's say we've just installed a new fridge compressor. You place a ServiceM8 label onto the new piece of equipment, tap the bottom right scan icon and scan the label. ServiceM8 knows this is a new label that hasn't been used before, so it takes us straight to setting up a new asset. First, we adjust the location to be more accurate. Then, we take a photo of the asset. Then simply fill out the rest of the asset details. And that's it. The new asset is now stored on site. For another example, let's say we're inspecting fire extinguishers in a large premises and have 10 or so to check. On a larger site, locating each asset and ensuring you've completed a check on every one can be time-consuming. Here, we can use the checklist of all assets the client has on site. Those with ticks represent those that have been inspected on this job and a form completed. This way, nothing will be missed. And if we switch to the map view, we can see where each asset is, making it easy to find every one. And for an intuitive way to orient yourself and find assets, you can tap the special AR button. Then simply scan the code of any asset on site. Instantly, you can see the asset details. Then if you look around, you can see where the rest of the client's assets are, making it simple to find each asset even if you've never visited the site before. When the job status is updated to completed, ServiceM8 will automatically generate a PDF service report of all assets that you completed a form for on the job. This is saved to the job diary. In the online dashboard, you can also generate an asset report of all assets listed against a specific client. Finally, because each asset label is completely unique, every single label is matched to a specific client, asset, and your business. And because these labels are QR codes, it means customers can scan the label themselves with their smartphone camera. A special link will appear, which they can tap to arrive at a unique web portal with your business branding. They can see a photo of the asset, view its service history, and even report an issue directly back to your business. They can tap to call or send a message, which will arrive in your ServiceMate email inbox for review. This is great for ensuring that when you install or service a piece of equipment, you'll get the further work later down the line. So, check out the Asset Management add-on for streamlined asset identification and service tracking. Search the ServiceMate Help Center for more information.